Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can share the internet connection on the iPhone 14 Pro Max to your laptop or your computer via USB tethering hotspot. So first let's connect your USB or the lightning cable to the lightning port right here. And on the USB or connect connector, we're going to connect it to the laptop or the computer. On the iPhone, you want to go into Settings. And then, go down and tap on Personal Hotspot. Here you can see, if I go into Personal Hotspot and turn on Allow Others to Join. And make sure that you set the Wi-Fi password over here. You can see it pops up showing Personal Hotspot iPhone. If this is the first time that you are connecting to your iPhone, it may ask you to put in the password.